It's a Stitch Fix day. I hope there are fall items in here. Hi everyone, it's Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing and try on of Stitch Fix. I want to get that noise put away. Okay, this looks like some fall colors, so I'm excited. Stitch Fix has a $20 styling fee. Anything that you keep, that styling fee is applied. If you don't keep anything, they keep your styling fee, unless you have the Style Pass, which I have, so my box, there's no styling fee. You pay it once a year, it's $49. I don't know how you get it. It's kind of random. Okay, let's see what's in my box, then I'll do a try on. Shipping is free. Pretty. It's a nice fall color. It looks like more of a plum. Here's the back. Cute. Quality feels nice. Can you see the pattern on it? Pretty cute. This would make a nice layering piece. What's this? Please don't be a skirt. Please, please, please. No skirt. What is it? What is it? What is it? To dress. And it's longer in the back. Oh boy. Okay. Why? I just want to know why. It's, I don't understand. I don't understand. All right. I have a sweater. This is cute. I think I've received one of these before. It's more of a purple and gray. It feels nice. It feels very nice. It's got the pattern on the wrist and at the bottom. This is a possibility. Along with the first top. But that dress, I don't know, you guys. I don't wear high-low dresses. So, I mean, I'm in my 60s and I don't know. I think I shouldn't say that. I should say, let's just wait and try it on and then pass judgment. If it's right for me. It might be right for you. Maybe not for me. I don't know. We'll see. Gray, dark gray. That's good. It's a nice cardigan or a duster. Well, this is cute. I don't know what else to say about it. I'm not wowed by it, but we'll see. Oh, look at these pants. What size? Oh, I hope she sized me up. I'm gonna have to go in and change all my sizes. I need to size up. Yeah, I have to tell you something. They're a medium, so that's good. Do they have stretch? Oh yeah, this is really, these are cute. Has the side pocket. They're like a jean material, like a denim. Side pocket. I like the rolled cuff. It's kind of like a purple animal print, so we'll see. I have to tell you, I went to the doctor yesterday and my husband told me it was cool outside. I'm like, I think it's supposed to get warm because this girl wears shorts as long as she can. So I wore jeans, skinnies, and a shirt and then a jacket. Well, first of all, I got hot and that was a mistake. And I caught myself in a mirror and I saw those skinnies on me and I had to really, really, really stretch to get these on. And I wore them this past winter. Well, they looked so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't know about skinnies right now. We'll see. I think I need to go with the straight leg or the, I do like the boot cut, so we'll see. I don't know. All right, let's get to the try on. Fingers crossed, something works out. Let's start with the sweater. It's really, really nice. It's by TATE. I like the two-tone in it. This is more of a gray versus this is purple. Here's a closer look at it. It's like it looks like it's a tight weave, but it's a little bit of a looser weave. I like the length of the sleeves. The sweater is a little long. It's longer than what I would normally wear, but it'd be great with leggings or with skinnies. kind of cute. What do you guys think? Okay, let's talk about these jeans by Market & Spruce. All right, my stylist recommended that I pair this sweater with these pants, which I would have never done because of the leopard print and then the two-tone. Still, I would not wear these together. No, I wouldn't put them together. They call this a gray, but it looks more like a green to me. So I don't know. Okay, so here are the pants. I rolled this leg down and kept this one up. And let's see, it does have the slanted pockets here, which is a concern for me because if they shrink or you put a little bit of weight on, they usually poke out, but these seem like they're pretty flush. These are really a great, great quality. It's got the back pockets. I don't know, I'll have to do the sit down test because they keep kind of sliding down, but that's probably my hips pushing them down. So we'll see, I don't know. And I'll have to watch the video and hear what you guys say. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, let's talk about this duster by, I think it's Magnolia, I think is the name of it. It's a really pretty darker gray, and it's kind of interesting because it looks like, see how it looks like it's kind of gathered like a pleat. It looks like a pleat when you wear it. It's kind of long, I'm 5'4". I don't know, what do you, I'm kind of on the fence. It's lightweight, but it feels warm. Yeah, I've got to pull my sleeves up. I don't know. I'm not sure, I'm on the fence. Okay, now let's talk about this top. This is by Klein. It's really, really nice. It's very nice, very pretty color. I like the way it lays here. I just wish it had sleeves. I prefer some type of sleeve, but you can feel the quality in this, definitely. Oh boy, let's try that dress on. Yikes. Okay, this is cute. I have to admit, this is really, really cute. I'm not a fan of the high-low at all. And I know I could get it altered, but I'm not buying stuff and then recreating an outfit. I'm not gonna do that. It's really cute, although the stripes do not match up on the side. Here's the back. Front. Ah, it would need a special bra for this one. Like the detail, I like the front of it a lot, and I do like the back, but it's a size medium. I think it's a little big. It just feels big, but this is a medium. I know if I went to a small, it would be too clingy to the hips. So I don't know, it sure is cute, but it's the wrong season. Send this to me again in the summer and I'll think about it. But I did see on the style sheet to add a denim jacket. She recommends that I add the duster. I tried the duster on with it. That was not a good look. That's not a good look. Sorry, Emma, that's not a good look. I mean, it's all right. I wouldn't probably wear this with it, and I'd probably only wear this dress on vacation at the beach. So it's really cute, but this one is not for me. All right, let's do a review. Okay, I'm gonna leave this jacket on because I feel like I need to cover myself up because it's the wrong season for this dress. Okay, let's just do a real quick review and I'll give you my thoughts. The Calvin Klein purple shirt, no, it's $38. It's the least expensive item in this box. I just don't need it. No, it was nice. It was very nice. Oh, the Magnolia Grace duster in gray, $68. No, I don't, there's something about it I don't like and I can't tell you what it is. I just don't like it. I mean, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the way that this looks pleated or the length, although I have long ones, so I don't know. Maybe it's the color. I can't tell you why, but I don't like it. I won't wear it. Let's see. The purple Fate pullover, $68. I don't know, I'm on the fence. So I'm not sure on this, so I'm gonna think about that. The dress that I have on, no. No, $58, no. Wrong season. And last, the Market & Spruce, $78. These were really nice. They're really nice quality. These, I probably know. I'll watch the video, but more than likely no, because when I went to sit down, it pulled, you know, where you get the plumber's look, and that's not a good look for anybody, and it's not comfortable. And so that's probably, these are probably gonna go back. So that's it. That's my Stitch Fix. Emma was my stylist again, and this is Stitch Fix number, I think 32. Yeah, number 32. Oh, let me tell you, if I kept everything, it's $310. You keep it all, you get 25% off, which is $77.50. So my subtotal would be $232.50, which, no, it's all going back. Oh well. It's just the way it is. You know, well, I don't know what to say other than, you know, it's nice. These are very nice items. I can feel the quality in them, but they're just not for me. So I'm just go ahead and return them, except that I will think about the sweater. So let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.